Welcome to 몬테트리 Learning. Open your crayon box and unwrap the crayon labels. Unwrap, unwrap, unwrap. 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 Put it in the paper cup. Pew! Don't forget to clean up. Ta-da! Make crayon families. Red with red, yellow with yellow, green with green. Break them into pieces. Break, break, break. Break, break, break. Ta-da! Put the broken pieces in the Ziploc bag. Try to put them in the middle. Smash it with the toy hammer. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Wow! You are very strong. Thank you. Put the smashed crayon into the paper cups. Pour it into the rainbow mold. What do you want to make? A red rainbow? A green cloud? A blue raindrop? What's your choice? With Mom and Dad, put the mold in the oven for 3 minutes. It's very hot. Be careful. Ding! It's not done. Let's melt it 2 more minutes. Okay. A few moments later. Take the rainbow crayon out of the mold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see if it still colors. Yay! It worked! I like my red shoes. I like my yellow shoes. I like my blue shoes. I like my purple shoes. I like my orange shoes. I like all the colors. Yoo-hoo-hoo! Did you have fun? Yay! If you had fun, I say Fred, you say Yola. Fred, Yola, Fred.